All right, new Agency Elephant user, welcome to your first video for your account setup that you are going to need to watch in order to register your phone number for your use case. What that means is we're not going to register your current existing business number or your cell phone or anything like that. This is for the phone number within Agency Elephant. Anytime you have a system that has the ability to send out broadcast or automation for your agency, we need to have that phone number registered now. Starting in early first quarter 2022, all of the major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, etc., have all changed their guidelines on fee structures for business use of phones. So we need to make sure you're in compliance so that there are no fees on your account. This is how we do that. So this first picture you're looking at here is going to be the first screen that you see when you register your phone number. You're only going to have one number on your account when you sign up. You can always add up to 5 for free. If you need a standard profile, we have to, there's a one-time $44 branding fee that we absorb if that is something that we need to do. But this fee, this profile here, the starter one, is free. So you're going to go ahead and click that gray Get Registered button. When you do so, your account is going to look like this, okay? This is registering your profile. This is your business name and your name personally, not your business name. So you have your first name, you have your last name, you'd have your email, right? And I'm going to do a different one because I've already registered this one. I will do matt@haninsurance.net. This isn't a real email, but I'll add it in here. Then your phone number is just going to be your current cell phone or office landline. This isn't going to be anything that gets registered. That section happens later. We need to make sure we add our business address. So for example, I am going to say address friendly name, Matthew Hahn Insurance Agency, right? I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do street address, 2150 Elkins Way, Suite 4. I'm going to come in here and do the city. The state, I'm going to pick California, my zip code. And I'm going to hit next. And on this next screen, you're going to go into, it's just going to verify all the information you have. You hit next. Yes, I want to verify. It's going to say, please wait. As soon as that action is done, we're going to wait a couple seconds for that to update into our phone carrier and send the information out and grab some of your IDs and stuff. So we'll give it 10 seconds to refresh. And then on the next screen, we'll be doing our register A2P brand, which is very straightforward and simple. And on the next screen, we have our register is approved, our profile's approved, our use case is not created yet. Use case just means the types of messages you'd send out. For example, campaign use case description, we're going to say use to send messages to customers and prospects within our agency to follow up and check in. Under sample message, we're going to say, hey, Matt, have you had a chance to review that quote we sent over? These are just messages that you might send out to users. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Just examples of messages we send. We'd hit next. As soon as that is done, we're going to wait the 20 seconds here and wait for this screen to, again, send it out to our phone provider, which our backend phone system is Twilio. We're going to wait for that information to be received and sent back to us so that we can move to the next step, which is actually assigning the phone number and registering the phone number in the account, right? So now that we've done that, we're going to pick the phone numbers that we are registering. In this case, this account has 5, which is not a big deal. We can update or register for up to 5 use cases. So we are going to register for these 5 numbers we have in the account and hit save. It's going to say, please wait. And once the action is performed successfully, it's going to bring us to this finish line where we hit finish. And now your account is registered. Okay, that is how you register your phone numbers to make sure you're in compliance with the new carrier's guidelines. This is to protect you, to protect us, and protect everyone from getting fees on their account. Very straightforward and simple. Your primary phone number goes in the beginning. Your number with Agency Elephant goes at the end. You check the box for that. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. If you got any questions, feel free to reach us at sales@agencyelephant.com.